Hello! So this is just a quick update of the Eyelure Brow Tint that I did a tutorial on about 6 weeks ago. And I am doing an update so you guys can see how long the tint will last, well, how long it lasted on me. And these next few photos are just a direct comparison of the tint after I first applied it and 6 weeks after, since the manual suggested that it will last up to 6 weeks. So the photos on the left with the crappy lighting is after the 6 weeks, and the photos on the right with the good lighting is when I first applied it. How much lighting makes a difference, y'all. It's crazy. But I did not use a brow pen or anything like that in both pictures, only concealer to hide the unevenness in my brows, because remember, our brows are sisters, not twins. But I will also attach a link if you want to see the tutorial of how I applied it. However, I do really like the tint, and I feel that it lasted long enough. But I don't think that I can wait every 6 weeks to do a touch-up. So maybe every 3 to 4 weeks I will apply more tint and go from there.